Hello, Elaine here with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card with the Crafting With You bundle. This is my inspired card using the Crafting With You bundle. Here's the Crafting With You bundle. It includes these fun images like the die cutting and embossing machine, sewing machine, yarn, paint, and even an easel. Plus you have all the dies to cut those out and extra fun dies like scissors and this hoop that I used for the card, ruler, basket, die. Nope, this is just a regular trimmer. So fun dies. So I started with the Stitched with Whimsy dies. I used the second largest die. I thought that would be fun to do stitching with the embroidery hoop. Next, I used the third largest Scalloped Contours dies, and that's fun because that has stitching on it too. And I embossed it with the Countryside Blooms embossing folder. I thought that would be really pretty on the card. Then I used that hoop die to cut out a crumb cake hoop, but then I used it again to cut out white because when you cut it out the first time, you'll get crumb cake. So this time I wanted white. Then I stamped some of these flowers and stamped the center. So I'm going to stamp the center with Coastal Cabana. Now I'm going to color with our new markers on the flower. And I love these new markers. They have a more, I love these markers. They are more plump and juicy, and so they really cover the stamps well. And I love the other side, the tip. It's just super nice to draw with, much easier than the previous markers. So I'm really enjoying these new markers. I'm going to color all the leaves Granny Apple green, and then I'll finish up by coloring those little flowers Coastal Cabana. Okay, I did one of the large set of flowers and two little flowers, and I've used the dies to cut these out. So this is what I have. And now I'm going to put the card together. So for the hoop, I'm going to use a little trick. I'm going to place them together, and then I'm going to use the dimensionals to hold them in place. And actually, I don't need to use the mini dimensionals. I can use the big ones to do this. So just in a couple places around the hoop, you want to place the dimensional on both pieces so that it will stick together. And place it in the center, but I tilted it a little bit. So now this one, we're gonna place like this. So I'm just gonna put a mini dimensional. And I'm going to use some of these lovely pearls to add to the centers of my flowers. And that is my inspired card using the Crafting With You bundle. You can receive this card kit for free when you purchase the Crafting With You bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Then just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I would love to send it right out to you.